Do you have a cavity sliding door at home, or maybe a couple? Did you ever think that they might be draft issues? Well, the fact is that most cavity sliding doors slide into an external wall, and therein lies the problem, because the actual cavity of the cavity sliding door is not a smooth surface, and it facilitates draft from the wall cavity that it backs onto into your home via the actual cavity of the cavity sliding door. So what can we do about this? Well, there's two ways to deal with it. The first is remove the door completely and then seal the extremities of the actual cavity that the door slides into. Of course, once you've done that, you have to refit the door and make sure that it's hung properly and at the right level and that it's parallel with the jamb and all that, okay? It can be, well, it is quite tricky. The other way to do it is to use Draft Dodge's cavity sliding door kit, and this seals the cavity sliding door on one side when the door is shut. Okay, it's a Draft Dodger kit, so you know it's great quality. However, it's a fairly tricky installation, and of course it's good to watch all the videos before attacking this project. So that's why cavity sliding doors are a problem and how you can treat them. Happy draft roofing!